Okay, this is a new song. It's called Through the Night. And it was written with my dad in mind. The day falls away and my eyelids are heavy. My heart beats so fast, my sorrow so steady. For each word we've shared through spit and despair, there's a million thoughts that fly above our heads and in our dreams. We laugh as we cry. The day so far away, the darkness holding hope. Whisper a wish unknown, an ability to cope. I cannot be sad for the life that we had. I cannot be scared for the time we will share. Let's talk it through, just me and you. Your words keep me alive. The hours count your distant days, go headstrong through the night. I share your dreams, I share your pride, and Lord knows I've tried. The doors will close, but the walls will climb. Always know I'm by your side. The sky will break, the tears will fall, but I know you'll be alright. Let's talk it through, just me and you. Let's not run out of time.